This is a ball screw, but it's far more than that. The balls between the ball screw and the nut are made of special alloy, resistant to both wear and extreme temperatures. The unique circulation system improves efficiency, precision, stability, and lifespan. In 3D printing equipment, ball screws with high efficiency and accuracy precisely control the printhead's multi-direction movement for precise material laying. In laser cutting machines, the ball screw, a core component, precisely converts motor rotation to linear motion, driving the cutting head or work table along the preset path for high-precision cutting. In the automated production line, ball screws are widely used in material positioning and equipment feeding, precisely driving components for efficient production line operation. In robots, ball screws are used for joint transmission, enabling precise movements, high precision, linear motion, and end effector control like gripper and tool operations.